Welcome, happy campers. My name is Amanda here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're taking a look into this 2021 Transcend 297QB. Now, the first thing we'll notice on this Transcend is the beautiful colors and the upgraded exterior package. So they did add a brand new front cap, and I love these colors. It makes it look so good when going down the road and at the campsite. So we're going to take a look at this gigantic awning. So this awning does come out and completely cover both your door and your outdoor living space, and it also covers your exterior kitchen, and we're going to take a look at that and some of the storage as well. One thing I like about this kitchen is they really match the interior with the exterior, so you keep the style of the whole thing both on the inside and the outside. We have a little griddle here, very nice new upgraded griddle. It does have the matching solid surface countertops as the inside. It does attach for when you're transporting, so that it won't have any problems there. And then a nice fridge. This is perfect for outdoor entertainment, grilling something quick with the kids. And there's also a spray port on this side, so if you make any messes, spray it out of the way. No, easy cleanup. Let's look at the rear storage on this. Now, rear storage in this is because we have bunks on the inside. So this is actually directly below a full-size bunk that I'll show you later, but don't worry, there's more storage to show. And finally, we're back in the front with our pass-through storage, where on this side you have your utility bay with all of your connections and your winterizing needs, and all of your cords and everything can be stored in here. This Transcend is perfect for the family. There's plenty of entertainment space, extra bedding for guests if you need it, not to mention the bunks in there, but we'll get to that later. We have a nice dinette here, pretty large, and I think it actually transforms to another sleeping area, but I'm not sure you'll need it with how much we have in this camper. But let's take a look back at the front. Along with sleeping areas come with more people or kids. So this is plenty of storage you need for everyone's shoe wearer. Now, you know, in the camper life, somewhere to put your shoes is sort of I don't know what to do, but this comes built in. That's huge. The kitchen in this camper is definitely packed for the family as well. So we have a 3-burner top stove here. I love the accent lighting. Microwave above with a nice hood range. We have a 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge, very convenient. I love this hutch area, plenty of space for dishes or cups, and a nice big cooking space with a nice big sink. And I love the faucet on this as well. But for storage option in this kitchen, we have a pantry located in the back of this camper, conveniently located next to the bunk. So if you want to hide any snacks for the kids, you won't be bothered in the middle of the night. But let's look into this bunk room. This is our bunk room, or the party room as I would think it is. We have 2 twin-size beds that kind of make a corner here, and then this is a full-size bed under here. Nice lighting, lots of USB chargers and outlets, and I love the windows. It doesn't feel enclosed, it feels pretty open. There are drawers below, and if you remember, the outdoor storage was underneath here too, so that makes sense. And then a little bit more cubby space and drawers on this side. This is perfect for all the kids. Into the bathroom on this camper. Now, this is the only bathroom, but it's pretty big. We have a big medicine cabinet, nice storage at the top. I like how they put the sink on the side here, so plenty of countertop storage. Foot flush toilet and a nice shower here. Again, I'm about 5'11", so I've got plenty of space, and it is really nice, and there's a removable nozzle here as well. Into the master on this camper. Now, we have a queen size bed here, very nice. Lots of storage above and on the sides. These do have shelves in them, which are really convenient. There are charging ports around on each side of the cubbies. And then there's actually a closet on this side as well. It's pretty large. We have a nice hanging compartment there. I believe this one actually doesn't have a light, so that's good to know. A few drawers on the bottom and an open space here for something you just want to have out and ready. Do you love this Transcend? What about these bunks? Because I do. Visit us online at cookvillerv.com or stop by Cookeville RV Marine. We would love to help you. Do you like this video? Give us a like below. Leave a comment. What do you want to see in the future? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget, at Cookeville RV Marine, your adventure awaits.